Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you, and strangely, nowhere on the box does it say LookFantastic. And it also doesn't feel like there's a box inside. You know, you often have the outer box and then you have the LookFantastic box. It just doesn't feel like it. Very confused. So let's just open up and then let's see. Yeah, there is no box inside. Makeup bag. Guess what else is inside? I mean, yes, the pamphlet, yes. So, I know that a lot of people like those coupons, but I just don't. It's just very weird to me. So what do we have? Daily lenses. Then we have the wine voucher again, because apparently nobody is buying it. There you go. And then we have a dog food coupon. Wow. Leaflet is here. We have the pouch. It feels very soft. So let's just open it up. Okay, that's just very simple. There's no filler material. It's just a pouch. This is the first thing. This is the Medic 8 Micellar Mousse, purifying and nourishing, effortless rinse-off cleanser. This is worth £8. Oh my god! It actually has some. Oh, it has some text with it. Oh my god! Medic 8's beloved sumptuous cleansing mousse, designed to effortlessly elevate any cleansing experience and results with innovative skin purifying technologies. Oh. Oh. Smells like oranges or something. Basically, this is a 2-in-1, right? It's a cleanser and a mist, like, how should I say that? Like, it's for both, I think. Can you use that on your eyes? A gentle, creamy, foamy cleanser for effortless skin cleansing and makeup removal without the need for cotton pads. Best to use after removing stubborn waterproof eye makeup. So I don't think it is for your eyes, but I will definitely try that one out. First product is good so far. Then we have this, I think, yes, the Christopher Robin, whatever, scrub, cleansing purifying scrub. I used up the other one, which reminds me I still have to do the reviews. Let me grab that. See, here's another pouch. I don't remember when we got that, but we get them occasionally. Usually we get like one like every year, but I think we got 2 this time. So let's see what this smells like. There are some chunky exfoliating beads or whatever it is. Oh, in there. That smells really good. That smells like seriously like high-end haircare, not skincare. Haircare. This is worth $6.72. The award-winning scrub has become a haircare savior for both women and men. The best-selling scrub features a hybrid formula combining 2 potent ingredients to soothe even the most sensitive scalps. I need that. I'm currently, well, I stopped using it, but I used a shampoo that really made my scalp itch and break out and have pimples and everything, so I need this. I only use a scrub like these or like intense hair masks, you know, like put them on to damp hair, leave on and then wash out. I'll only do that once a week. Then we have like we had this before, but the brown version. This is the 3-iner. I still don't really know how you say it. 24-hour pen liner in 900 black. A very nice felt tip. So for a thin line or a very thick line. We had the brown one before and I really loved using that, so I'm excited to have this one. This is worth $14.95. This eyeliner is the best of the color pen eyeliners with 14-hour long wear and super precise tip. Yes, definitely. Ooh. So far, it's really nice. And I think we actually have all the products like that are here. You know, sometimes we have a this or that, and this time it's all of them. So nice. Wow. Smallest thing I've ever seen again. The By Terry Brightening CC Serum. A glowing base in Sunny Flash. This is worth £15, but this is the sample. Perfect your complexion with By Terry's Cellulose CC Serum, a color control elixir that delivers brightening, moisturizing, and correcting properties to rejuvenate dull skin. I will definitely try it out. I have some other products that I'm currently using, so I will use those up first, and then I will get to that. Oh, this might come in very handy if it is what. yes! I thought so. This is the Neutrogena hand cream. I don't really use hand cream unless my hands are very dry and, you know, in winter, very dry. So yeah, instant relief of dry, chapped hands in just a drop. Other side, because I already have too much on. Oh, there's a nice thick paste. It reminds me, the consistency reminds me of the Benefit Professional. Like, it's a very thick paste. Oh, that smells so good. That smells very fresh. Enriched with 40% glycerin, this concentrated hand cream effectively relieves skin dryness to leave hands feeling soft and supple. Its reparative properties protect and restore the skin barrier to ensure skin is nourished, moisturized, and healthy. It is worth $4.50. And then the last product already. Wow. I don't know what I will do with the pouch. I will probably give it away to someone. We have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. It's worth £6. Apply from head to toe once or twice daily or as needed. Enriched with shea butter, eucalyptus, oatmeal, and ceramides or mites. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream brings immediate comfort to tired, itchy, and flaky skin. Better still, the antioxidant element of its moisturizing formula also provides protection against free radical change. How to say that? Like, this box is very much for the drier months, if that makes sense. You know, you have this intense cream, you have this intense cream, you have something to help your scalp, because, you know, a lot of people suffer with dry hair and dry scalp as well during the winter times. During the winter time and the winter months. Yeah, so, see, it's itchy. Okay, that was everything that was in the box. It's okay. Yeah, a lot of these things will probably take me a long time to use up, so that's good, but on the other hand, it's just not that exciting. You know, hand cream, I literally have to use up within the next 2 months, because I don't use hand cream in spring and in summer, whatever. So then we have winter wellness tips. How to make it to winter. Or get sleep. Do I look like I get a lot of sleep? No. Make your makeup last all day, what you can do to prevent it from creasing and, you know, mascara flaking or whatever. In the Christmas column, how to not get stressed out about Christmas. Beauty hacks, the Body Perfect Ice. Oh, that's actually a very nice look. Look at that. Dark shimmery blue. Oh, gorgeous. And then we have the ingredient, rose stem cells. What it is and what it does. Behind the theme is festive. So everything for like the preparation up to the big event, or the two big events. Christmas traditions. And then what's coming up is the This Works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. And my voice is leaving me, wow. Then I would use some reviews. I collected a few things again. Oh. So, first off, this is the worst thing I've ever tried. This is ISO Clean Makeup Brush Cleanser. Makeup Brush Cleaner, whatever. I used this in the video, and I used it obviously a lot of times by myself. As you can see, it is almost empty. It stings absolutely terrible. It's pure alcohol. Pure alcohol. And it does not clean your brushes that well. You know, I washed an eyeshadow wash with this, I think 4 times. You know, like on the paper towel, one side, the other, and then another paper towel, one side, the other. And when I went to the sink and washed my brush with just normal soap and water, there was still eyeshadow on. This does nothing. You need, I think I used it like 4 times to use this much, or maybe 5. You need way too much in order to clean your brushes. The whole bathroom or your whole apartment or wherever you are, it will stink of pure alcohol. I don't like it. I'm actually surprised that I use it that much. Never again. And I actually have 2 things that I put to, I just lost one, that I put together. So this is the Scalp Scrub by Umberto Giannini with a pineapple, coconut oil, and walnut shell as well. Absolutely love this. It was a huge top, and like I said, I only use products like that once a week. It's so nice. It was a bit grainy, you know, like it's actual a walnut shell, right? It takes you a while to wash it out of your hair, but once you do, it's amazing, and it makes your hair super soft as well. Your scalp feels clean, your hair feels clean. I still use conditioner and shampoo afterwards, but you know what I mean. Love it. And then when this was empty, I put this one in. This is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment, 40 milliliters, and it took me 2 uses to use up because I don't know, I just need a lot. So with both of these, you have to wet your hair first and then put them on, let them sink in, wash out, use shampoo. This I put all of the hair. This is just a scalp treatment, but I like both of them. They made my hair super soft and shiny, really took care of all the needs that I had, and I enjoyed both of them. Something that I didn't like, I even showed this in last month's LookFantastic unboxing. This is the shampoo from Bleach London. absolutely terrible. Same with the conditioner that I showed last month. Makes my hair dry, very disgusting looking. It doesn't work on my hair, because, you know, the thing is, it's supposed to be a reincarnation shampoo. Like, it's supposed to make your hair look good, especially if your hair is dry already. It's supposed to help. It does the exact opposite. I don't like it. I use it as a hand wash. So that tells something. Then this I actually used on camera. I will link that video here. These are the Star Skin Gold Mask Eye Patches, whatever. They were nice, but they started to hurt a bit over here. They were not too close to my eye, but, you know, at one point they started to hurt, which is why I would not purchase them. While they were on, I have something hanging here. I don't know what it is. While they were on, they were nice, but after a few minutes, it started to hurt. So they were nice, but they hurt a lot. So it's a no for me. This is the Avon Pro Collagen Iso Dick Primer. This is the worst thing I've ever tried in my life. I don't really use foundation over it, so don't ask me what the foundation looks. I don't use foundation. This is so runny and so sticky at the same time. It's absolutely disgusting. It feels like you're putting like a face wash on your face. And that's a primer, you know, that's supposed to prep your skin for whatever you want to put on top. No, it's still full. Like, I use it like 4 times max, and it's out. I do not like it. Last but not least, something I really enjoyed because I actually cut it open. Oh god. This is the Chorus. I cut it open and I cut off the middle part. The Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. Just a night cream and supposed to brighten your face. I didn't really see that, but first off, it smells amazing. Second off, it sinks in so quickly into your skin, and, you know, it's a night cream. So what are you gonna do? You know, you lay in bed. It's not like it's bothering you. It didn't itch. It didn't sting. I didn't have any breakouts. It was such a beautiful night cream. Love it, absolutely. So that was it. My reviews. Not that much. The thing is, I got a lot of like those Sephora boxes, right? And it was a lot of skincare. And as you can see from today's box, it's a lot of skincare. So if I don't have that many empties the next few months, you know why. I'm just slowly working my way through it because it is a lot. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Have you tried any of this? Only 6 products? Seriously? When there were 7? I don't know. If you had any of this, please let me know. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next one.